Hi guys, today we have a very nice case for you. We're going to do panfacial rejuvenation using a combination of Dysport treatment to the upper face and the jawline, as well as Restylane Contour to the cheeks, possibly a little bit in the chin, and then Restylane Defyne in the lower face, treating the nasolabial folds, the marionette lines, trying to lift up the corners of the mouth, and maybe even a little bit into the pre-jowl here or around the mouth as well. So panfacial rejuvenation, great, beautiful patient, great case. I hope you enjoy it. Alright guys, so that's the treatment. What we did on our face, just to summarize, was I put a little bit of Restylane Contour into each cheek. I treated both the medial and the lateral cheeks. I then treated the nasolabial folds with Restylane Defyne. I added a little bit of Restylane Defyne to the corners of the mouth, the marionette line, and the pre-jowl area, as well as the mental crease. And then I increased chin projection and added a little bit height to her chin with Restylane Defyne as well. Then I did Dysport around her eyes and between her brows. Importantly, I only put a tiny amount of Dysport on the forehead because she has some heaviness of her eyelids and I want her to be using her frontalis muscle to keep those eyes open. And then I did a little bit of Dysport into the platysma, both above and below the jawline. And what that's going to do is reduce the downward pull of the platysma on the jawline and sharpen up and define the jawline. So she's a little red. I don't expect her to bruise much from this treatment. She'll be back at it tomorrow.